Hey, have you ever thought about just how incredible the human brain is? I mean, we use it every single day, for everything from solving complex math problems to deciding what to have for breakfast. But what if I told you that right now, inside your head, there's a power source that's working 24/7? That's right. Your brain, the very same one that's processing my voice right now, produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Let that sink in for a moment. A tiny biological light bulb constantly lit up by the power of your own thoughts. So how does this even work? Well, your brain is made up of billions of tiny cells called neurons. Think of them as the electrical wiring of your body's supercomputer. These neurons communicate with each other using tiny electrical signals, called action potentials. When you think, feel, or even just breathe, millions of these signals are zipping around your brain at incredible speeds. Each individual neuron only generates a very small amount of electricity, about 70 millivolts. That's a tiny fraction of the power in a standard AA battery. But here's where it gets amazing. You have around 86 billion neurons in your brain. When all these neurons are firing, even when you're just resting or sleeping, the combined electrical output is significant. Scientists estimate that the waking human brain generates about 10 to 23 watts of power. Now, 23 watts might not sound like a lot. You're not going to be charging your phone with your thoughts anytime soon. But it's more than enough to power a small, low-wattage LED light bulb. Imagine a little light bulb glowing, its brightness changing with the intensity of your thoughts. When you're deep in concentration, maybe it glows a little brighter. When you're dreaming, it's flickering with the stories your subconscious is telling. It's a fascinating way to visualize the sheer energy and activity that's constantly happening inside our skulls. This electrical activity is actually how doctors can study the brain. They use a machine called an EEG, or electroencephalogram, which places electrodes on your scalp to detect and record these tiny electrical signals. It's like they're eavesdropping on the electrical conversations happening between your neurons. So the next time you're feeling a bit dim or you think you were having a slow day, just remember, you have a biological power plant in your head, a complex energy-producing marvel that's literally lighting things up. You are, quite literally, a brilliant-minded individual. Pretty cool, right?